Sondra, aka Kitty. I'm here today with another edition. Today is Wednesday, February 14th. It's Valentine's Day. Wow, I probably should be doing a makeup look, but I'm not prepared, and my son is going to be coming home in a few minutes, so can't do a Valentine's Day makeup look, which I would have had to get out before now anyway. What I am going to do is I recorded a video for the influencer Clairol, I don't know what they're calling this VoxBox, but it's the temporary root touch-up powder VoxBox. I recorded it on my cell phone or something, but I'm going to record a better one for you today. So let me close it up so you can see what the box properly looks like. This is what the box looks like, and I got mine in medium brown. It's a temporary root touch-up powder, but you can also use it on your brows, and I did that, and they actually held up, and they were really easy. Like, I would not use this for like when I want my brows beat. I would use them for like a quick you know, I have to leave the house and I didn't do my face, but your brows always need to be together. That's why, you know, they always need to be groomed, because your brows actually frame your face. So you can have your makeup flawless. If your brows are not together, your brows need to be together. So this is awesome for carrying in your purse for like those quick days when you didn't have time to do makeup, but you can put your face together real quick with this. Let me see. How can I want to show you my gray hairs. This product should be washed out because it washes out with the shampoo. I actually did my hairline and covered all the grays in my hairline, but my hair just got washed this morning. So hopefully you will be able to see all my gray hairs. So let me zoom in. Let's see if I can make my grays visible. Okay. As you can see, in just this small patch, my baby hairs, there's a lot of gray in there. I can actually even see it on the viewfinder. You can see all this gray hair. So what I'm going to do is do my oh, I'm sorry. This is what the product looks like. It has a awesome mirror. It's huge. And then you have this root touch-up powder and a brush. It says that this can last between 80 and 100 applications. This is enough for that much. The brush is quite firm. Should have put on some contact lenses. I wear daily wear contact lenses now. I can actually see this covering up the grays, but the section that I'm trying to do is not just roots. This hair is relatively long when you think about covering up your roots. My baby hair is like 3 inches long, so I have to actually kind of go back into my hair a little bit here. So I'm not like if your hairline is kind of thin, you can use this to make your hairline appear fuller as well. This does not stain your skin, and like I just said, you wash it out with shampoo. So now that it's all in, you can see what my hairline looks like now. All the grays are covered up and my hairline looks fuller. So this is the Clairol Cover Roots, Precisely Cover Roots on the Go. No, that's not the name of it. That's what this box says. It's called the Clairol Temporary Root Touch-Up Powder. Let me see. Temporary Clairol Root Touch-Up. That's what it's called. There's nothing else after that. So you apply the powder to dry styled hair, hold hair against head, and press powder onto roots or eyebrows using precision brush. So now let's see what it looks like if I fill in one of my brows with this. I forgot I'm still on Zoom. Just quickly wipe off with your finger if it gets onto your skin. You don't have to use concealer or anything to fix the situation, because it does not stain your skin. So this is this brow. Sorry, I'm gonna brush this other one out. Versus this brow. And you see how quick and easy that was? So this is like perfect. And when it says, what does it say? Precisely Cover Roots on the Go. Like I would probably have this in my bag for the brows just as much as for my gray hairs. My gray hair is mostly around the perimeter of my face, so I'm kind of fortunate. I don't have like patches, so I don't color my hair, so I don't have any like roots to cover up, but all that gray in the front is not cute. So this is the Clairol Root Touch-Up, the Temporary Clairol Root Touch-Up Powder Kit. That I got from VoxBox. I did get this product free to test and review, so that is my mini review for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're on the lookout for new videos coming up soon, and in the meantime, you know the drill. Love, peace, and hair grease. Ciao.